Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ Crew Cab Pickup. On the exterior, we have heated and power tow mirrors with turn signal indicators, running boards, and a rear backup camera system. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic temperature control. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 has less than 40,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection plan. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.